In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to turn on caps lock notification in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, you need to navigate to the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please proceed with the option called accessibility. Click on it. And here at the accessibility, you would be able to see three components, and these are vision, hearing, and interaction. So since we're dealing with the enabling of the caps lock notification, then by that we need to navigate here at the keyboard, click on this one. And here at the keyboard, you would be able to see three toggle keys, which are sticky, filter, and toggle keys. So in order to turn on the caps lock notification, you just have to navigate here at the toggle keys, where here you can see a switched option, just have to turn it on. In this way, when you press caps lock key, num lock key, or scroll lock key in your keyboard, you would be able to hear a sound. Okay, so let's check. So as you see, I've just successfully enabled or turned on caps lock sound or the notification here in our Windows 11 whenever we press it in the keyboard. Okay? So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.